Hello friends, I have this jar which used to contain olives. I already ate all of them, they are gone, and I'm left with the jar, and I already have several of them, and my idea is to try and turn it into a flower pot. For that, most plants don't like completely closed container. You need to have a hole at the bottom. I thought maybe just drill it with a drill like that. You need a special drill, which I will just show you. So this kind of drill, this one is rather big, just so that you can see what kind it is. It has these shards of diamond. It's not precious diamond, just industrial. And you need a smaller one, like this, 1/2 inch or 10 millimeters. With drill press it's easy, but without drill press most people don't have it. You will notice it's not feasible. So I have this plastic cup which kind of fits in here, and I will make like a template for the drilling. So I'll just use a normal regular drill. This one is 10 mil also, so they have the same, diameter. Yeah, never put your hand on the other side of the thing you're drilling. And it went through. Now I will be able to keep this drill bit centered. When you set your drill, make sure it's on the drilling setting, here. Because if it's on the hammer mode, it's completely wrong. Don't do that. One thing worth doing is to add a little bit of water, actually here, just for cooling. So maybe actually I will keep this template in place, even if the drill goes through, it will hit plastic and not my precious jar. Success! Got it. You see? So I have it, and again, it was a good idea to keep this template in place. It's very suddenly the drill goes down through the hole once it's drilled through, and it's difficult to anticipate it, and you will have a cracked jar like this one that I cracked before. I think I don't need my template anymore, but as we see, it functioned. Pack some soil in there. You can put the plant, add some water, This plant that I have here, it's very tough kind, so I'm sure it will grow. But for more delicate plants, you may need to put them in a jar of water for a couple of weeks so that they develop the roots. Actually, I did several already, but before I was doing it differently, because I realized not everyone has a drill press, so that was my idea on how to make it work for people who just own a simple handheld drill. And this proper setup means using the drill press. It is actually much easier because you can very gently apply the pressure. Alright, here I have another jar, so let's compare how much easier it is with the drill press. This drill might be really loud, so make sure to wear ear protection. Also make sure it's not set to the hammer mode here, not hammer, because if it's hammer it will crack the jar for sure. I just turn it on with the blockade, so it will stay on. So you see it is much more controlled with this kind of setup with the drill press. I think it's a much better way to use these empty jars which are not needed anymore, and instead of throwing them away, they will still serve a good purpose, which I really like. And they look really nice in those jars. All right, thank you. Make sure to hit the like button